Bill Gates said a long time ago, if your business is not online, then you don't have a business. But these days, this saying goes the extra mile. If your business is not leveraging technology, then your business will not survive in the long term. So how non-technical entrepreneurs can take their business to the next level by launching their own custom done for you software, SaaS, tech products, and mobile apps. Hi, my name is Vitaliypodoba. I'm the CEO of a software development agency named SoftFormance, and I help business owners build and launch their own software. In this video, I will show 3 easy ways how to get business to the next level by building and launching your own custom software products and tools. I will do this by demonstrating our real client cases, their businesses, the products we built for them, and how these products, tech products, improve their businesses. So watch till the end. Method number 1. Create a new recurring revenue stream. Russell Brunson, in his book Expert Secrets, talks about value ladder, the line of products and services that your business sells, and how it's super important to have recurring revenue products or services within your business. This way, you don't have to worry about hiring new clients every month and monthly cash flow in general. And some of the methods to build such a recurring revenue stream within your business might be private community or online group, maybe monthly support retainers, maybe monthly value packet newsletter, and so on and on. But the biggest and most promising tool to build a recurring revenue stream within your business, at least based on my 200 plus clients experience so far since 2011, this is to build a software product that you can upsell to your existing clients. That can be some software, some automation, some useful tool that you can sell on monthly or annual subscription to your existing clients. Now, let me show you a few great examples of our clients and how they did exactly this and what kind of ROI they got in return. So here on this screen, you can see example number 1, Kelly and Zach Muro. These are our clients from Arizona. They run a network of beauty salons and also run an educational courses of beauty stylists. We built for them a software platform named Forward Forms that helps stylists run their business and consultations online. This software helps a few hundred stylists so far do their job and provide some nice extra monthly recurring revenue for its founders. We spent around $40,000 to build and launch the initial version of this software, and now it yields about $13K per month in monthly recurring revenue, which is almost 400% ROI. Pretty crazy, right? No other medium risk investment tools or businesses will provide you this kind of ROI. Okay, so I've got for you one more example here. Example number 2 is about Mike from Corpi. With his partner Eric, Mike runs a remote school for kids in France named Corpi. A few years ago, they were running their school with a bunch of Microsoft Excel files and paper. They came to us to build a school back office automation software. So we created for them a new system called Pool-P. And now they also resell it to other schools from France and Morocco and earn quite good money out of this. And you can do the same stuff, same products, whatever business you run. Method number 2, streamline your business processes. Think about this for a second. How many repetitive tasks you and your team are doing on a daily basis? In my agency, for example, at least 80% of all the employees' time goes into the same routine daily task over and over again. So why not to try and automate it all with some software and save a lot of time for yourself and your team members, avoid pricing human mistakes, and finally make your team much happier by focusing on more creative and interesting tasks instead. So let me share with you a few examples from our clients who successfully streamlined their businesses with their own software. Example number 1 on this screen is Jack from California. He's running the digital agency named Guru Digital. He also used a bunch of Google spreadsheets to manage paid ads for his clients. He was doing pretty good with his brother, serving bigger clients, but wanted to optimize it all and spend much less time on daily basis, updating hundreds of Facebook ads, creatives, and so on. So what we did for him, we built 3 different software tools. CalPro, this is appointment scheduling software that connects with Salesforce leads and appointments. Second tool we built for him was Ads Pro, Facebook ads automation software. And finally, we built Dash Pro, an analytics dashboard that helps Jack serve his clients and show custom reports online. Now, brothers have it all automated and a lot of free time for the more important stuff. Okay, I've got example number 2 here for you. This is about Ryan. He runs a solar panel agency in Texas named Texas Solar Pro. We built for him a custom CRM system from scratch named Local Power. It allows him and his team to send high-quality proposals with a roof design tool you can see on this screen right now. With that tool, Ryan, as the sales department, saves tons of time, and what is more important, has higher conversion rates now. So you can build something similar and automate sales, fulfillment, purchases, project management, and any other kind of activities within your existing business. Okay, method number 3. Serve your existing clients better. Have you ever installed a small mobile app from a local business? It could be a beauty salon app, or restaurant app, or a hotel mobile application. It can be app to deliver pizza to your home. It could be a local taxi mobile app, a banking app. It can be some of your business vendors' apps that you are using on daily basis when purchasing from them. It could be any kind of software that makes your life easier as a client of that business. I bet you installed such an app a lot of times, right? Now, let's think for a moment what these kind of apps are doing for those businesses, for those business owners. First of all, you perceive such a business as a more serious because they have that own software they invested in, right? So you are willing to pay higher prices for their services and products compared to their competitors without such an app, right? Also, they are serving you better, faster, and with higher quality because of that software they provide to you. So you're happier to buy from them at the end, right? You feel that they care about you more than their competitors. So the third method of how you can employ custom built software in your business is to create a customer-facing web or mobile app to serve your customers better, make them happier, raise your prices, and generally grow your business. Now, again, let me give you a few quick examples of how my agency clients are leveraging this third method. Example number 1 on this screen is Aris from Neology. Aris is running a business consultancy for enterprises in Switzerland named Neology. He sends out monthly reports to his clients using Google spreadsheets, documents, and good old email. But now we built for him an interactive online web dashboard that his clients can visit instantly and check how they are doing. With that tool, they now save a lot of time as things are automated and clients are super happy playing with the interactive dashboard. Now, Aris thinks about selling this software as a SaaS product to other C-level executives in Switzerland. Example number 2, Maria Soledar from Evo Agency. They teach people online professions. They have been using third-party software named Anti-Trainings. It's something similar to Kajabi, Teachable. I'm pretty sure you know it. But they decided to build their own online student cabinet software and switch to it all their students at the end. That's how we built for them an online cabinet named To Do, and now we are running thousands of students on it. And also we are going to add machine learning components to improve success rates for their students and many more things on top of it. And at the end, all sides are happy. So this is all from me for this video. I showed you 3 methods of how you can leverage your software tools, products, and apps to get your business to the next level. If you have a software idea and would love to get my help with it, leave an application in the link below this video and my team will get back to you within 1 working day. Otherwise, just join my Facebook group named Software Founders and start learning from other business owners working on their software products like you. The link is also below this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel to get notifications about new videos. And see you in the next video. And remember, people need your software.